putting your all into everything that you're doing. I think that's a huge tool, not even just in the trades, but life in general, to make sure you're putting your all into everything.
Being in high school, get all your sciences, get all your maths, get all your Englishes. They will help you get into the program that you want. You never know where life is going to take you. Hi, I'm Scott Kucharyshen. I'm the program head for the Sask Polytech Auto Body program in Saskatoon. My current role at Sask Polytech is the program head, and the program head is responsible for organizing the classes, scheduling them, dealing with student issues, whether they be good or bad. I'm making sure that the marks are all entered correctly, and I also oversee and ensure quality programming.
Hi, my name is Brody Siebert. I am a automotive service technician, journey person, as well as a automotive instructor here for Saskatchewan Polytechnic. Well, the experiences I've had since training wrapped up, obviously one of the greatest feelings ever is getting that ticket in your hand after you're done, you're completed. It's a really rewarding feeling. After I was done, worked for that same shop for quite some time, continued to work in the trade. I ended up working for a dealership and ended up working myself up to service management at that point. And that was a really cool experience. I learned a lot. And then I found myself here at Sask Polytech becoming an instructor.
A typical workday for a technician is very fast-paced. There is always multiple vehicles, multiple projects, and it is very much a team effort. We usually have somebody who's doing body work, another person who's doing painting, another person who's doing prepping, and we are all working for one common goal: to get that car repaired quickly, to get it repaired properly, safely, and back to the customer in a time-efficient manner. We are always worried and mindful of the time and being able to do it properly, correctly, to get it back to the customer. So very fast-paced, always changing. The technology is always changing. There's always training to be taken care of. There's always things to be up to date on, and doing that while providing top-notch service for the customer.
What I love about being in the auto service industry, what I love as a tech, as an instructor, is that small community of people that I have gotten to know since I started in the trade. And those people seem to have been consistently kind of around my life and in my life throughout the time that I've been in it. You go to a car show and you run into these people that you've went through the apprenticeship program with. Maybe you came through in an AST certificate program with them. You meet your instructors that you've seen. It becomes a small family. The car community in this province is it's just a really welcoming place, and it's really just it's a good job, and it's a great trade to be in.
Even as a teacher, a program head, it is still the same as the body work. I love the team. I love working with other people, but I really love that vehicle that's coming in that, for the most part, the public, the people have given up on that car, and we do our stuff to it, and it becomes a thing of beauty. It becomes a usable part of society again. And for a big part, we're like the ultimate recyclers, and where we take what other people have discarded and make something good out of it again. The Sask Polytech advantage is that the students, what they learn right here in this room for a couple hours a day, they go right down to the shop and they apply it. They're applying exactly what they're taught in the classroom, so you're getting the knowledge and the training through visual, auditory, and then doing it hands-on. You're getting the kinesthetic touch to it.
You have access to state-of-the-art tools, equipment, amazing instructors, just a great program in general from start to finish to provide you with everything that you need to be successful in the trade out there in the world.
One of the other things that really sets the Sask Polytech apart from others is that a lot of our training involves live vehicles, and live vehicles are vehicles that are going to go back on the road. Sask Polytech Auto Body is the only certified collision care, or OEM certified school in North America. We are also the only ICAR Gold Class school shop currently in Canada. When we are training students to work on these vehicles, they have to pass a Saskatchewan Body Integrity Inspection. They have to meet SGI's rules and regulations, but they also have to meet those OE standards that we strive and we have become qualified for. And also our instructors also have to be certified in all of those levels, so in order that they can train the students in order for that vehicle to be able to go back on the road. We also do restorations where the vehicles are taken apart by the customer. We do all the metal work, we do all the paint work, and we give it back to the customer, we let them assemble it. And something that I'm quite proud of is that the vehicles that we have restored, all of them that have gone to our big car show here in Saskatoon, the Dragons Car Show, every one of them have placed a trophy. So we're quite proud of the training that we do, the work that they do, and the students are as well.
As far as the trade goes, you know, there's countless opportunities. You can, whatever you decide you want to do, you can be a shop owner, you can work for somebody as long as you want, you can be a service manager, you could be a service writer. There's so many things in the automotive industry that aren't just technician-wise. But if you get your ticket as a technician, you can move through the industry in different ways and make certain dollar amounts otherwise, and it's kind of, the opportunities are kind of endless in my opinion.